A new year always makes me want to reset everything, not in an extreme way, but in a let's actually fix what did not work last year kind of way, especially in my business. Last year was our first year as real estate investors with a real estate business, and it taught me something really, really important. Real estate is not hard because of tenants. It's actually hard because of organization and all of the behind the scene things that you don't think about. If you don't have a system in place for everything, things will go wrong quickly. And if you don't have a system in place for your money, everything else tends to feel heavier than it needs to be. First, I want to talk about why organization is my number one goal for my real estate business this coming year. And that's because when people talk about real estate goals and building a real estate investing business or a rental portfolio, they usually talk about things like buying more properties, scaling faster, increasing your cash flow. But after getting into this business and seeing a lot of my mentors scale back in the past year, I've realized something very important. I've realized that my main goal is actually simpler. I want clarity. I want to know without a doubt how much my property is actually making, how much we're saving for repairs, and if it's enough to weather the storms that will eventually come. And I want to know if scaling actually makes sense, not just what I should do, before I get emotionally involved and make a rash decision for the business. All of that basically starts with using the right tools, and that's why I'm using Baselane. Baselane is my real estate financial command center, and I don't use it as just another account. I actually use it as the hub for everything related to my rental property numbers. Baselane is such a critical part of giving me clarity because it lets me manage a lot of things in one place. From my tenant screening to my rental income, I have unlimited checking and savings accounts with Baselane. I'm able to have all of my expenses in one place and categorized correctly for tax time. I have all of my bookkeeping and tax preparation in one place, and it gives me a lot of financial clarity. That really matters a lot when you're trying to make smart financial decisions in your business, not just reactive ones. I want to talk now about how I'm trying to measure my success and how I'm trying to use the data to make better decisions. One of the first things I check each month inside of Baselane is actually my cash flow dashboard, because this is showing me the real numbers, and sometimes they're not as pretty as I would like them to be. It shows me the money coming in from the rent, the money going out for expenses, and our net cash flow for the month. Right now, our rental does not bring in a lot of cash flow per month after our expenses. That money that does come in is not money that I'm spending. That's money that I'm tracking, and Baselane makes it really easy for me to see, is this property actually performing the way I expected when we originally started this business? And I can ask the question, is it improving month over month? Or is something draining the funds that I'm trying to build up? It gives me information without guessing, and it gives me information without having to have a ton of different spreadsheets and random calculations. It's all there so I can make clear, informed decisions, and that's what I really want to focus on going forward. After our first year as real estate investors, we've reviewed all of this information, and that's led us to a couple clear decisions. One thing I'm very intentional about right now is not pulling profit too early. This has been true in every business I've ever started, and it's true here as well. Every month, the money that is our cash flow is going straight into a Baselane savings sub account, and that is dedicated to things that will be coming down the line, like repairs, capital expenditures, and any future expenses that I don't even know yet. Keeping the money inside of Baselane and putting it into these sub accounts has really helped me with the mental separation of what business money is and what personal money is. That is something that needs to be done early on in any business, and real estate investing is no different. Building up those cash reserves for us is our number one goal, because we know that with rental properties, things will break. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when it happens. These sub accounts let me visually see that the buffer is growing, my cash reserves are growing, so that gives me peace of mind going into a new year when I know things might happen with the property. Because Baselane offers a high yield savings account depending on the tier and activity that you have selected for your business, that means our repair fund is not just sitting there, it's actually working for us while we are waiting. We are definitely in a waiting period, so it helps to know that the money is in a savings account and growing. It's a very small detail, but over time, those small details add up and they do matter, especially when you're trying to be very intentional with your numbers and have things grow from the beginning. I know from past businesses that not having the right systems in place can make it a disaster once it's time to do your taxes. And this is one of my favorite reasons why I use Baselane. I don't like bookkeeping. I never have. I don't like doing my taxes, and I always pay my CPA to catch up my bookkeeping for my other business. So adding more bookkeeping was not something I wanted to do to add to my personal workload when I started a real estate business as well. So I love that Baselane makes bookkeeping something that is automated and easy, and it happens as you go, not all at once at tax time. Throughout this past year, every transaction has been tagged, it's been categorized, and it's been assigned to the property. So everything is actually ready to go because the categories already align with Schedule E, which means that now that tax season has come around, all I have to do is download my profit and loss reports, my cash flow statements, and send them right to my CPA. She is actually so proud of me for this system and having everything already ready. There's no scrambling now, there's no guessing, and there's no, what was this charge from April about? What was that? Do you have a receipt? Do you have what I need? There's none of that. It's all ready to go, and my CPA is so happy that this part of the business has been taken care of already. And since I do work with a CPA for my taxes, both on the personal side, my other business, and now my real estate investing, Baselane has been a great tool to fit into that process because it does have shared access. With Baselane Smart, I can give my CPA or my property manager as well limited access to the account. So they see what they need to see and nothing more. That's been really important to me as I think about scaling this and working with people like my CPA, because I don't want my growth to mean more chaos or more things to manage. I want it to mean that I have the right systems in place so that I can scale seamlessly when that time comes. This month has been all about getting myself ready for the new year and what I want that to look like. From meeting with my CPA to actually going over my real estate goals, I have made a lot of decisions, including the fact that I really want to focus on stability and clarity this year. For 2026, my real estate goals look like this: keeping my first rental stable, building a solid repair reserve, reviewing my cash flow every single month, no matter what it looks like, and only scaling if the numbers support it based on what I'm actually seeing inside of my accounts. Luckily, Baselane is giving me the clarity to do that. It's turning my rental from something I hope is working and is going from my Venmo account to my personal account to an actual business that I can measure and decide when it's time to scale. If you're starting to rent out a property or you want to get one in this new year, or if you already have one and feel a little bit disorganized, this year is the year to fix your system so that you have clarity and stability with your rental properties. Everyone is talking about scaling down so that you can have a more focused portfolio that cash flows better and is less stressful. Baselane is free to sign up. There's no monthly account maintenance fees, and it's built for real estate investors. If you're in the real estate world and you're looking for clarity, it has been the best tool I can possibly recommend for getting that. It's been a great tool for us to build stability in our real estate business and get the clarity that we need. I will leave my link in the description box if you're interested in trying it out, and I hope that it helps you start the new year with your rental finances organized and a clear picture of where you want to go for the year. You will get a sign-up bonus if you do use my link at no additional cost to you. It's a fantastic tool, and I will leave some videos about how to use it down below. And if you're watching this and setting your own real estate goals for the new year, let me know what you're focused on, whether it is scaling and buying new properties, cash flow, or organizing your own business. Let me know, and I'll see you in this video over here.